भारत एक युवा देश है। विश्व में हमने युवाओं की आईटी एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बात के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साथ मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, आईटी प्लस आईटी इज इक्वल टू आईटी। इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी प्लस इंडियन टैलेंट इज इक्वल टू इंडिया टू गॉड।
Yes, Ina. Let's start.
So a very good evening to all the esteemed dignitaries who have joined us today at this felicitation ceremony. Hope you all have enjoyed our event today, which has majorly covered all the aspects of the insurance industry today, and also have highlighted the fact that this industry is really delving deeper into its next gen avatar. So we firmly believe that this insurance is one of the such industries that has remained at the forefront despite of the several challenges. So to honor the contribution of the sector and the leaders across the industry for their exemplary work during and beyond the COVID-19 pandemic, Elit's Technomedia and Banking and Finance is pleased to announce Excellence Insurance Award. So moving ahead, I would now request our team to please present the first certificate on the screen. Elit's Insurance 2.0 Summit, Future of Insurance is here. Can we have our next, our first certificate on the screen? So we are pleased to honor Mr. K.V. Deepu, President and Head of Operations, Bajaj Alliance General Insurance Company Limited, to please come on the stage. And I would request Dr. Ravi Gupta to please virtually hand over the certificate to Mr. K.V.
Sure. Let's welcome Mr. Deepu on the stage. Welcome, Mr. Deepu, and requesting you to accept this honor of Excellence in Insurance Awards from Elit's, and requesting you to speak briefly as an acceptance speech.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ravi. It's a pleasure, making a difference to our customers and partners and employees. And thank you for this. And it only motivates us to continue to keep raising the bar. Thank you.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Mr. KV.
Thank you, Hina.
Thank you, sir. Moving on to the next certificate. We are pleased to honor Mr. Ravi Krishnamurthy, President Zone 1, SBI Life Insurance. Congratulations, Mr. Ravi. I would request Dr. Ravi Gupta to please hand over the certificate to Mr. Ravi Krishnamurthy, President Zone 1, SBI Life Insurance.
Sure.
Can we have Mr. Ravi Krishnamurthy on the screen?
Yeah, nice to be with you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Ravi sir, I would request you to please
Yes,
hand over
yes.
the
Yeah. May I request Mr. Krishnamurthy to please switch on the camera and deliver an acceptance speech briefly?
So my camera is on. I don't.
Acha, okay. We can't see you. Okay. It's okay. Like if you can speak briefly, yeah, it's fine.
So thank you very much, the sponsors of today's Elites Insurance Summit. And I am very happy to have been part of the panel discussions for future ready life insurance and the role of technology and the role of strategy in building a strong governance and a strong sustainability model for the sector. And in the process, building sustainability in customer satisfaction and customer delight. I am really happy to have been part of the panel discussions today, and thank you very much for recognizing me.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi Krishnamurthy. Thanks for joining us today. Moving ahead, can we have the next? We are pleased to honor Mr. Deepak Lingwal, Chief Operating Officer, SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Deepak.
May I request to bring Mr. Deepak Lingwal on the stage? Yes, is he here with us? Congratulations, Deepak ji. And I request you to give a brief acceptance speech on this occasion.
Thank you very much. I mean, it's an honor to receive this Excellence in Insurance Awards. And in fact, at SBI General, we believe in Suraksha aur Bharosa dono. That is our tagline. And this year, company has taken a mission to accomplish automation and digitization as the sole motto for the company. And in next 2 years, we are aiming to become completely digitized and completely automated as far as our processes are concerned. And it is always a pleasure to join you people and participate in all the panel discussions that are happening through your STEAM organization. So I would like to thank all the organizations. And today's interaction was very interesting. And once again, I thank you all for choosing me for this insurance award. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Deepak
Mr.
ji. It was an honor to have you with us at the sessions. And we are delighted to present this award to you, Deepak ji. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Deepak. We have our next dignitary. We are pleased to honor Ms. Priya Deshmukh Gilbile, Chief Operating Officer, Manipal Cigna Health Insurance Company Limited. Congratulations, Ms. Priya. I would request Ravi sir to please hand over the virtual certificate to Ms. Priya.
Sure. Yeah, heartiest congratulations to Priya ji for great work at Manipal Cigna Health Insurance Company Limited. It's an absolute honor to have you with us here. I will request you to give a brief acceptance speech of the honor.
Great. Thank you to the entire ELETS team, Raviji, Hina, and all the other winners. And it's a great privilege and matter of great pride. This I am receiving on behalf of Manipal Cigna. And Manipal Cigna's purpose and mission is continuously and consistently working for our consumers, partners, and also forward the health insurance agenda in the citizens of India. So what is a better time than now? And this recognition really motivates us to keep raising the bar. And I really enjoyed the interaction in a couple of other panel discussions that we had. So congratulations to all the other colleagues, and thank you to you. Great pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Priya. I hope you have enjoyed the session very much, meeting your colleagues after a long time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we have our next dignitary, Mr. Srinivasan Iyengar, Chief Operating Officer, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Srinivasan. I would request Ravi sir to please hand over the certificate virtually to Mr. Srinivasan Iyengar.
Sure. I welcome Mr. Srinivasan Iyengar on the stage. Requesting my team to bring him on the stage, please. Welcome, Srinivasan ji. Thank you for joining us. We are honored to present you the Excellence in Insurance Awards on behalf of ILETS. I request you to give a brief acceptance speech for the awards.
Thank you, Ravi, and to everyone in Altus Technologies. It was a great honor and to participate in today's session. Quite interactive and interesting sessions, I would say, and it was great to also share my thoughts and hear the thoughts of everyone else on the panel. And I'm sure the listeners would have been quite benefited.
Sure. And I wish to especially mention that the role of the health insurance companies in these times of the pandemic has been exemplary, and they all have rose to the occasion and actually helped their customers to avail the health insurance policies in a smooth manner, so that they could save lives of their relatives and their friends. So thank you all the industry veterans for doing this commendable job, and that's what we are celebrating here. And recognizing all the important players in the insurance industry here. Yes, Hina, over to you.
Yeah. So let's move ahead with our next certificate. We are pleased to honor Mr. Balakrishna Singhania with this Excellence in Insurance Awards, CDO, HDFC Life. I would request Dr. Ravi Gupta to please present the certificate to Mr. Balakrishna.
Great. It's an honor to have you with us, Mr. Singhania, and I would request you to deliver a brief acceptance speech for Excellence in Insurance Awards being presented to you on behalf of ILETS.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Hina. Thanks, everyone. Obviously, it's always a great pleasure to be part of such panels. We not only are able to share what we are doing for our customers, but also learn from each other. And so pleasure attending such panels this day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Balakrishnan Singh. So our next Excellence in Insurance Award goes to Puneet Kaur Kohli, Chief Technology Officer, Universal Sompo General Insurance Company Limited. A very congratulations to Ms. Puneet. I would request Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Ms. Puneet Kaur Kohli.
Puneet ji, heartiest congratulations for the Excellence in Insurance Awards, and I request you to deliver acceptance speech briefly.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor always to participate in your panel as a panelist, as a moderator. It has always been a very warm welcome, and with fellow panelists, I always get to know so many things. And I think so I've never been able to repeat any kind of topics that have been given every time that I have to speak on. I really enjoy and congratulate ILETS Insurance to organize such event from time to time, and getting all the people and the viewers on one common platform. It is indeed a learning for both of them. I congratulate to all the people who have been the honors today in terms of receiving these accolades. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Puneet. It's a pleasure to have you on the screen and joining us in the event. Moving ahead with the next certificate, we are honored to present the certificate to Mr. Praveen Pathak, Chief Technology Officer, Royal Sundaram General Insurance Company Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Praveen Pathak. Can we have you on the screen?
Yeah.
Welcome, Mr. Praveen Pathak. I would request Ravi sir to please present the certificate.
Praveen Pathak ji, it's a pleasure and an honor to present you the Excellence in Insurance Awards on behalf of Alex. May I request you to kindly give an acceptance speech briefly.
Yeah, many thanks to Ravi and Hina, and also Shruti and Manasi who was in touch with me. And this was a pleasure to participate in discussion, panel discussion. And it was really a learning platform. At Royal Sundaram, our endeavor is always to make a special place in the heart of the customers. And IT is something which cannot be dispensed with for doing so. So we are really benefited by such a seminar, and thank you so much for arranging such a seminar.
Pleasure to have your presence, sir. Thank you so much for joining us today in the ceremony and the event. Thank you so much for your presence, sir.
Thank you so much, Praveen ji.
So we have our next award presenting into Excellence in Insurance Awards. We are pleased to honor Mr. Naseem Haldar, Chief Information Security Officer, Echo General Insurance Limited. Most welcome, Mr. Naseem Haldar. I would request Ravi sir to please present a certificate to Mr. Naseem.
Sure. Let me request Naseem ji to give a acceptance speech briefly, and on behalf of Alex, I congratulate him for Excellence in Insurance Awards. Naseem ji.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks to your entire team who has organized such a good summit, and right, all the fellow panelists and all the people are saying that it's a great thing. People are organized for all the entire industry, and we are learning a lot from each other, and also we are getting a new views about that, how we can better serve to that to our customer. And I just want to thanks to entire your team who is organizing all these things in such a smoothly, I can say. Thanks to you guys as well.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Naseem. So our next Excellence in Insurance Award, we are pleased to honor Mr. Manoj Srivastava, Chief Information Security Officer, Future General India Insurance Company Limited. A heartiest congratulations to Mr. Manoj Srivastava. Mr. Manoj, can we have you on the screen?
All thanks to Alex Media for such a wonderful event. We shared a lot of knowledge among industry experts, and then for the wonderful event. Thanks for the opportunity to be in a panel discussion. And I would also like to congratulate all the award winners today evening. Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Manoj. We have the next Excellent Insurance Award to Mr. Satyanandan Atyam, Chief Risk Officer, Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited. A very congratulations to Mr. Satyanandan Atyam. I would request Mr. Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Mr. Satyanandan.
Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Atyam, and I will request you to give a brief acceptance speech of the awards.
Well, thanks. I think it was a good organized summit. I think the theme which you run, the multiple themes which I have been seeing, it's quite interesting. So it was a good congregation of right peer group, and this type of sessions really help everybody to get a good perspective in terms of what are the thought process or people have, and also to learn from each other. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Satyanandan. Our next dignitary to whom we are going to present this Excellence in Insurance Award, we are honored to have him on today with us, Mr. Sundar Krishnan, Chief Risk Officer, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance Limited. Most welcome, Mr. Sundar Krishnan, and very congratulations.
Thank you.
I would request Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Mr. Sundar Krishnan.
Heartiest congratulations, Sundar Krishnan ji, and we are honored to have you with us, and I will request you to give a brief acceptance speech.
Thank you so much. It was a good attempt to participate in the event and to speak with so many people. Also speak to many colleagues of mine in the industry and understand the opinion that's on, and also understand the contours of various products and situations that are upcoming. Thank you so much, and it's a privilege to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sundar. Thanks a lot for your presence. So the next certificate goes to Mr. Awais Syed in Excellence in Insurance Award. We are pleased to honor Mr. Awais Syed, Chief Risk Officer, SBI General Insurance Company Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Awais Syed, Chief Risk Officer, SBI General Insurance. I would request Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Mr. Awais.
Sure. May I request Mr. Awais Syed to come on the screen, please, and open the camera. Yes. Requesting you to please deliver a acceptance speech briefly.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, Hina. I specifically want to thank the team of ELETS, Asif and Mansi, who have been consistently delivering these events so successfully, and getting in the entire industry on this particular platform consistently so well, seamlessly. So thanks a lot and great job, the ELETS team. My congratulations to all the winners. We are in the business of resilience, and where we manage the misfortunes of so many people. And I think as a representative of SBI General, I think the one thing which I want to say is we ensure continuity in terms of Suraksha and Bharosa. So I am happy to be a part of this industry which has stood in this particular event of this pandemic and with the people of India. So we will continue to make this entire industry definitely a pillar of Indian success story. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can we have the next certificate on the screen? So the next Excellence in Award goes to Ms. Anjana Roy, Chief Strategy Officer, India First Life Insurance. Congratulations, Ms. Anjana. I would request Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Ms. Anjana Rao, Chief Strategy Officer, India First Life Insurance.
Heartiest congratulations, Anjana. Thanks for joining us, and we are honored to present you the Excellence in Insurance Awards on behalf of ELETS. Over to you for your acceptance speech.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you, ELETS, for giving this opportunity. It was, and organizing this event, it was a very interesting, enlightening events, great thoughts shared, great perspectives, so it was good, enriching session, thoroughly enjoyed, look forward to many more such sessions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anjana.
Thank you, Ms. Anjana. Thanks for your presence. So we have our next certificate on the screen. We are presenting Excellence in Insurance Award to Mr. Asim Gupta, Director and Head, Bank Assurance, Max Bupa Health Insurance Company. Congratulations, Mr. Asim.
Thank you, Hina. Thank you, Ravi ji. Really a pleasure.
Great, and heartiest congratulations, Asim, for joining us, and we are honored to have you in this Excellence in Insurance Awards, and see you next time again. Thank you so much. Yes, Hina.
Yeah. So our next award Excellence in Insurance Award, we are pleased to honor Mr. Amrish Kher, Senior Vice President, IT, Max Life Insurance Company Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Amrish. I would request Ravi sir to please present a certificate to Mr. Amrish Kher.
Congratulations, Amrish. On behalf of Illets, we are happy to present you the Excellence in Insurance Awards, and I will request you to deliver an acceptance speech.
Thank you so much, Ravi. First and foremost, for organizing this excellent insurance summit, and honestly, really honored with this award. I think first and foremost, the panel discussion was very interesting, very insightful, and it was great connecting with the peer group from the industry. And I think this award really makes it much more sweeter. So thank you so much for this award and this honor, truly deserved by the entire organization, which has really created the excellence, and my team, which has really rallied behind to create excellence in the business. But thank you so much for recognizing that effort and awarding this certificate. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Amrish, for your presence. Hope you enjoyed the event. Can we have the next certificate on the screen? The next Excellence in Insurance Award, we are pleased to honor Mr. Nikhil Verma, EVP and Business Head, Bank Assurance, Aviva Life Insurance Company. Congratulations to Mr. Nikhil Verma. And I will request Ravi sir to please present the certificate to Mr. Nikhil Verma, EVP and Business Head, Bank Assurance, Aviva Life Insurance Company.
Sure. May I request to have Nikhil on the stage?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes. Congratulations, Nikhil, and I request you to kindly deliver acceptance speech on and this is for the Excellence in Insurance Awards on behalf of Illets. Nikhil.
Thank you so much. I think I echo all my colleagues, and it was quite interesting. I think the topics that you are choosing to get the entire sector together and share their views, their opinions on how things are progressing now and what's in store for future. It's always very insightful. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Nikhil. Thanks for your presence. I would request my team to please present the next certificate on the screen. The next Excellence in Insurance Award, we are pleased to honor Mr. Delzad Jivasha, Associate Vice President, IT Enterprise Risk Management, ICICI Lombard General Insurance. Mr. Delzad, congratulations. I would request Mr. Ravi Gupta to please present the certificate to Mr. Delzad.
Sure. May I request to have Mr. Diljad on the screen, and on behalf of Illets, we would like to present him the Excellence in Insurance Awards, and page on the screen. I request him to deliver an acceptance speech. Can you see him?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can see. Delzad, can you? Are we audible to you?
Yes, you are audible.
We would like to. Yes, you are audible, and we would like to hear a acceptance speech from you and your experience throughout the event.
Yes, so absolutely. Good evening, Dr. Ravi, then Hina, the entire ELETS team. It has been a pleasure always being part of the ELETS conferences. And once again, congratulations to the ELETS team for having put this event together. As is known in my capacity as the Associate Vice President of Enterprise Risk Management of ICICI Lombard, I'm thankful to ELETS for having bestowed this award on us. The one important thing to understand amidst this pandemic is that it's extremely important to stay united, be together, help out all people, and pray for everybody's good health. The entire panel discussion that we had focused on how claims, how customer servicing, how sourcing, all of these things have undergone a paradigm shift. And I have no doubt that what the world is going to see now is going to be a new normal which is going to be different from the one that we saw before the pandemic. So with that, I just end by saying that let's all come together. Let's all make this a successful endeavor by all companies to make sure that we are able to handle black swan events even going forward through focusing on the core principles of risk management. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We firmly believe your thought and would taking these events more further with such great panelists and topics to be covered.
Thank you, Diljad. Thank you so much.
Can we have the next certificate on the screen? So the next Excellence in Insurance Award, we are pleased to honor Mr. Prasanna Kumar, Head Financial Services and Profession Group, Aon India Insurance Broker Private Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Prasanna Kumar. I would request Dr. Ravi Gupta to please present the certificate to Mr. Prasanna Kumar.
Sure. And I request Mr. Prasanna Kumar to deliver your acceptance speech for the Excellence in Insurance Awards on behalf of Alex. Prasanna.
Thank you so much, ELET's team, Ravi and Hina. It was a great pleasure to be a part of the event and share our opinions about what is happening in the current marketplace and how we can together improve it and emphasize on certain important points. So it was a great opportunity, and I look forward to be a part of it year on year again.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you
so much. So here we end the ceremony for today. I hope you all have a great time, a great insightful sessions, and a great knowledge to gain from this event. We'll try doing all these events more oftenly and keeping all the topics which you are looking forward to discuss and relate to you. So with this, I would now like to hand over to Dr. Ravi Gupta for a closing note for the day. Dr.
Sure.
Ravi Gupta, over to you.
Thank you, Hina, and thank you all the award winners for joining us, and thank you all the delegates who are watching us. And I request you all to log on to the website bfsi.elexonline.com, which is India's biggest portal on IT innovations in the banking sector. And also log on to the website cio.elexonline.com, which is India's biggest website on CIOs. And a lot of technology transformation is happening every day, and it's impacting the several industries big time. And we at Alex are tracking these changes and updating all our audience about the changes, what technology to use, what technology not to use, and what are the pros and cons of each technology. That's our mission. So we are creating awareness, we are creating education opportunity for several sectors and the mid-career professionals, and creating opportunities from peer learning. So that's the mission of Alex. E is for education. Let's educate ourselves. Let's go E. Let's use E. E means electronics. So and this is what means is meant by Alex. And let's get educated. Let's get empowered. So that's the vision and the mission of Alex. And thanks for joining this mission of educating and empowering and enabling of masses. That's the vision and the mission of Alex. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
हमने युवाओं की आईटी एनर्जी के माध्यम से अपना एक रुतबा खड़ा किया है और भारत इसके बात के लिए गर्व कर सकता है। दुनिया में हम आंख में आंख मिला करके बात कर सकते हैं। और ये मेरा साथ मैं हमेशा कहता आया हूँ, IT plus IT is equal to IT. Information technology plus Indian talent is equal to India tomorrow.